Hatu PCN yam ya ka jingduna jong ka AMH hapo ka blood report jong pi. AMH kade ka anti-mullerian hormone ka bapenmi e kisambai jong pi. Kade ka jingpen i ya ka jingdon jong kisambai ha ka tu ka por. Kam ya thu sendan ne kilat jong ka pregnancy. Wat lada ka AMH jong pi kade point 2. Wat la ka taruh bidang dan ya ka lat ban yok hun.
Kakenhun Menteri Kalashimekarai ban sedang Treikam non aduk Treikam Naitung Arajar Arpusau Yaka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS Arajar Arpulai hak jela kaban Bujli no hak jaka jong ka CrPC. Unang aiktian ke sarkar jela ba poleng do ulong ba Kakenhun Menteri Kalashimekarai ban sedang Treikam no ya kenekaan. Hak jela da kabapenmi agajip menapat ba ne ke notification hapo jong ka subsection 2 jong ka section 1 jong ka BNSS Arajar Arpulai naduk Treikam Naitung Arajar Arpusau. Uba poleng do ulong ba ka BNSS kalong ka bakongsan ba ban penmi agajing permana ha ka por ka biang. Kadang bagi yang syari ken yok ban buat ikrukam Treikam bad ki kendon jong jing a jing bishar katkum ka BNSS. Ula pensyairu ba ka BNSS kan Treikam habarok yang syari ki bedegi district bad sessions judge judicial magistrate CGM court bad kiwe yang syari. Rekan Treikam pat di District Council Court mar begidan la ka rukam penyaat kam la ka jong bat ka BNSS kan kata AA yang syari jong District Council.
The issue here is that Government of India has notified that by the 1st of July 2024, the BNSS shall come into force and shall replace the CrPC, and hence the need was that we would by 1st of July switch over to implementing the BNSS. And since these criminal laws are coming into force with effect from 1st of July 2024, the state government is supposed to notify the application of BNSS 2023 to facilitate education of criminal justice. So this matter was considered by Cabinet, and it was clear since we were supposed to transit into the new arrangement and replacing the
Uba poleng do ulong ba ka sarkar jela lang ba ka Directorate of Forensic Sciences keladap ban pha ikajing terwa ban yo ikajing menjor na Kakenhun Menteri ban penmi ikajing pemnapat ba ikikendon jing batha niki guidelines na gabenta ikajing longkongsan ban don ka crime scene forensic investigation bat hagni kasngi Kakenhun Menteri kala ajing menjor ikajing terwa ban don niki mobile vehicle ki ban penankam da ka forensic science investigation team bat kini kali kendon haman lagi district headquarter. Uhe officer katenat korbari kejela ba CV ding do ulong ba Kakenhun Menteri kala ajing menjor gi kendon Treikam niki guidelines na gabenta ka forensic crime scene investigation kabaladan kejingdan kamkat kum ka anya ka sarkar ban penmi ke notification ba kladap ban le ya ka badan kam uba ding do ulong ba kladan yo director ki forensic expert nrekindan kampat ban penklan ban mentaka kam kana ya cekamat ha ban kentiu ya kejing klan ha kejing don jongki forensic expert
to ensure that forensic experts visit crime scenes. There are certain categories of crime which are of a heinous nature, where the punishment is 7 years of imprisonment and above. Now, the state government, through the Directorate of Forensic Sciences, had submitted a proposal seeking the approval of the Cabinet to notify the guidelines for compulsory forensic crime scene investigation. And today, the Cabinet considered and approved this proposal. And under this new proposal, we will have mobile vehicles which will serve as forensic science investigation team which will be available at all district headquarters.
Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita 2023, which has made it mandatory that forensic experts should visit crime scenes of heinous crimes or punishment of 7 years or above. So as per the BNSS, that is the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita 2023, it is the act that has replaced the CrPC. The forensic experts have to visit the crime scenes, and hence the government has to come up with guidelines as to how these forensic experts will, do crime scene investigation. So today the cabinet also has approved the guidelines for compulsory forensic crime scene investigation that is required as per the law for the state government to notify, and we have notified it. So that when 1st July the act comes into force, the forensic experts are ready to go to the crime scenes as per the law.